So for the FHA 203K program, FHA announced it's increasing the limited 203K total rehab cost from a maximum of $35,000 to $75,000. The limited 203K does not require a consultant unless there is structural or landscaping. However, the $75,000 would need to include the contingency reserve, the title update fees, the draw inspection fee, the consultant fee. If the borrower would like to have a consultant on the limited, it also can cover any architect and supplemental fee. The number of months to complete the 203K limited will be increased from 6 months to 9 months, and the borrower must move into the property within 30 days. FHA will also introduce an annual review process for updating the maximum total rehabilitation cost for the limited 203K, because prior to this recent increase, it had been over 10 years since the last look back. So this is great news for clients looking to do the limited 203K, because if you don't need a consultant, it's not required. However, if you want one, you can get a 203K consultant as well.
Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.